What's up, guys? Phillips Phabworks here. We got a really killer video for you today. Just sprung on us literally within the last hour and a half. So,
well, I've known about it for like a day.
yeah, well, I haven't. This was sprung on me within the last hour. Mom and Dad's anniversary is coming up. Mom decided to get Dad an anniversary present, and so this is going to be kind of like a reveal to him of what this present is. So we're going to give you a look at what it is before he arrives, and Mom surprises him with it. So let's take a look at what it is. All right, so what we have here is a 1972 C10 custom deluxe 10. Looks like we've got some repaint going on here, going for that patina look, of course, and it looks pretty good on here. I think the roof is probably the most natural patina part of this truck.
I think all the rest is fake, but
nevertheless, it looks really good. We got some 20-inch American racing wheels, front and back. We got clear side reflectors, turn signals, sport mirrors. Obviously, it's been tinted. Brand new wood bed. Roll pan. And sharp, clean look.
It's all like brand new. It's been C-notched.
See if we can get under here. Ooh, yeah. See if we can get a look at that C-notch here for you guys.
You see it?
Oh yeah, snap. Then when we go to the interior, looks like we got brand new carpet. I'm gonna say these are probably the original door panels, and these are probably repainted armrests. Speakers added right here.
That works.
Billet steering wheel. Aftermarket stereo, Bluetooth. Looks like we got a couple extra stuff with it here.
Yeah, there's some stuff
Other
I gave
than
us
that,
when we went and got it.
looks like we just got a little bit of speckle and a rust starting around the cap here.
The only rust is right there.
But that's the only rusted out part right there. Pretty clean truck. Gas tank still behind here. Looks like we got new seat belts with the, looks like they got the retracting mechanism on it, which is, I want some of those for that truck, honestly. But holy crap. Kyle, why don't you tell us what the drivetrain of this awesome C10 is?
So it's a 350. Just normal, well, not I want to say normal, it's got a cam and stuff in it, but then it's back kind of 700 R4.
Awesome highway cruisers. Awesome highway cruiser. Everything cannot be perfect. If it's completely perfect, you can't drive it. So it's awesome that Dad's finally going to be able to have a really nice C10.
Nice. I mean, nice.
It's nice for Missouri.
For us
and Missouri, like it's pretty freaking nice.
Pretty magazine quality in my opinion.
I love the triangle dimple die thing here.
Wow, that's so sick.
So awesome. We'll have to get in contact with the previous person to see who made that. Dang. This thing is super stinking nice though.
I'd eat my dinner off of that.
I would too.
I'd eat it. I'd lick it just because I could.
Lick it right now. Dare you. All right. Mom and Dad is on their way. So surprise is coming up right now. Hello, Nugget.
So you have any ideas what I got you?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can take it off now.
What? I seen this go by the house today. And I was going to tell Kyle, I said, dude, there's another truck in town that looks just like yours.
That was me driving it.
What the
I was
world?
doing this. I went past the house. I told Mom I was almost got past the shop and I seen you do this. Okay.
It's yours.
How am I going to top this?
You're not supposed to.
Oh, you're always getting one up on the dude. Oh, my word. Where'd you steal this? Golly. What the heck? Oh. Hey, we don't have to finish the Chevelle now.
Yes, we do.
World, you woman.
We did a christening for you.
Ha. Would have brought it home, but it wouldn't fit in the house. Good one. Good one.
Someone's in trouble now.
Word.
I'm not in trouble. I'm just glad he likes it. I was afraid
Perfect.
you wouldn't like it.
I'm Kyle.
Or Kyle.
blue.
Turn the lights on.
Nice. Oh, even a license plate lamp.
Oh yeah.